Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to English class. Let us quickly start Ganpati Slok. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryesu Sarvada. Okay, my children. So last time we have completed mixed bag. हमने पढ़ा था, right? A to L, right? Today we will start from M, right? So let us start. Now you know the formation. M O V E, move. Again, M O V E, move. Thereafter, N I C E, nice. Again, N I C E, nice. O W L, owl. O W L, owl. Next, P A T, pat. P A T, पैट. पी के बाद कौन सा अल्फाबेट होता है? क्यू. क्यू यू आई जेड, क्वीज. क्यू यू आई जेड, quiz. Thereafter, next will be R. R E D, red. R E D, red. Thereafter, S O L D, sold. S O L D, sold. T I C K, tick. T I C K, tick. U S E, if it is US, then pronunciation is us. But it is USE, then pronunciation is use. U S E, use. V A N. Vain. V-A-I-N. Vain. W A V E. Wave. W A V E. Wave. X M A S. Xmas. X M A S. Xmas. Next, Y O U R. Your. Y O U U. Y O U R. Your. Z E R O. Zero. Okay. Okay, students. Thereafter, we are reaching here busy bee time. Write the name of the picture given in a cursive letters. Right? So it is cat. Right? So you have to write the name in cursive. Thereafter apple. Thereafter monkey, sunflower, horse, watermelon. Okay, only melon if you are writing, because the space is little bit smaller, then it will okay. Right, here I am not going to write, okay, because I have already given this into your assignment also. Right, so this is you have to do by your own. Right, today's last work is this season's name. Right, we are writing first, it is S U double M E R. Summer. S U double M E R. Summer. R A I N Y. Rainy. R A I N Y. Rainy. W I N T E R. Winter. Summer, rainy, winter. These are 3 seasons. Okay, students. So next time when we meet, first of all we will complete number names, and thereafter we will go for the writing practice of sentences. Right, there are some sentences given over here, so we will write it some sentences in the next session. Okay, students, so I take your leave. Goodbye, take care, and have a nice day.